YouTube. What you want to say?
Hi.
Hi. It's your favorite Bree, and so today, right now, it's like 9:40 something, and my boyfriend is taking a nap or whatever. He been asleep for like a good, hour, and right now, we finna wake him up. Me and her finna wake him up. We finna get some pots, pans, whatever we got in this kitchen right now, and we gonna use it to wake him up. So yeah, y'all finna see this video. Y'all finna see his reaction or whatever. He don't like being woken up out his sleep, but oh well, he needs to wake up. So yeah, this is gonna be a prank video. We finna prank him. You ready?
Yes.
We finna prank your daddy.
Yeah.
You happy?
Yeah.
You ready to prank him?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, she ready to prank him and I'm ready to prank him. So we finna see his reaction. And let's get into this video. You wanna say something? What?
You want to use water?
You wanna put water on your daddy?
Yeah.
I don't think he gonna like water. He gonna be ready to fight both of us.
Oh.
We just gonna get some pots and pans and we gonna hit them together and we gonna wake him up, okay?
Okay.
You excited?
Yeah.
Okay. Stay tuned. Watch, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, let us know what y'all want to see us do next. Wake up.
For what? Why y'all wake me up and I ain't been
You've been
asleep?
sick for so long. Wake up.
Bro, I just fell asleep not too long.
Wake up.
Oh, dang. Wake me up and shit. What be wrong with you, bro? Dang.
Wake up.
I'm up.
You better be.
I know dang well you not beating on my pants.
And what about it? Oh.
I'm gonna beat on your
And I'm gonna
forehead.
beat on your forehead.
Hey,
Wake up.
I'm up. Don't you see me up?
Put these back. Here you go.
Hell no, you don't know. You woke me up. You put them back. You
Put them
good?
back.
What I'm putting them back for?
And one will make louder.
Go ahead and make it loud.
I'm up. Give it up. Give it up. Thank you.
It was a prank. We wanted to wake you up.
Get y'all in y'all prank.
We should have put water on you.
Yeah.
Throw hot water on.
Mom.
You have fun?
Yeah. Mom.
What?
Let's prank again.
Next time. We gotta get him next time. Did we get you?
Since I'm part of the prank, what?
Did we get you?
No, 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 no.
You blocking my glove.
Did we get you?
Yeah, y'all got me. Yeah. Y'all weak.
Good
Weak
job.
old
Good
prank.
job. Good job.
Prank. I got y'all on
You gonna
that.
get us back? No, you ain't.
Don't worry about it.
I think you want
10 out of 10. Must try again.
Don't worry about it.
Give us
No.
another video to do.
like it, subscribe, you love video.
Yeah. Like and subscribe if you love video. What she said.
Love you.
Like, comment,
Say
and
bye.
subscribe. Like
No.
Say bye.
Bye.